So, as a small YouTuber, you tend to hear a whole lot of misconception about YouTube. And most of these misconceptions are tailored around the algorithm. Okay, so when I came on YouTube newly, I decided to make a research about the particular niche that I want to work with so that I will know what I'm doing and doing the right thing. Okay, so the first thing I did was to make a research of so many niches. Okay, I came to realize that some people here on YouTube space will tell you, post at this time, okay, do this kind of video, this is the kind of thumbnails that you need to do, this is the thing that you need to do this particular time, hack the algorithm, do this, do that, a whole lot of confusion. Now, there might be reasons why these people are telling you this, because it might be that these big YouTubers are telling you, or any kind of YouTuber who is teaching you what to do on YouTube is saying this because they want to get view, number one, or secondly, this is the kind of thing you want to hear. So it might look boring, but it is productive. So in today's video, I am going to be taking you around on how you can hack the algorithm. Is that what you want to hear? Okay, just stick around and do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. So most times when we come on YouTube, the first thing in our mind is the algorithm. But then there's something that you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is to make a research about the niche that you want to be making videos for. The reason is that there are a whole lot of billions of people on YouTube making videos, all kinds of videos. So now, that niche that you want to make your videos on, is it something that you are passionate about? If it's teaching, are you passionate about teaching? Can you teach someone and the person will really be interested to sit down and watch you teach till the end of that lecture? Or are you just teaching because, okay, I don't think there's something useful I need to do on YouTube, so teaching is the best thing that I need to do? Now, let me tell you something about the algorithm. People tell you that the algorithm is not working in your favor, the algorithm is not recommending your videos and all. This is how the algorithm works. And so a whole bunch of stories that you tend to hear in 2024 about the algorithm, most of them are lies. So now, the algorithm, the first time you create your channel and then you tend to engage in other people's videos, they are liking and commenting, which is what I am expecting you to do in the comment section. Okay, please comment, give this video a like, a thumbs up, and please do not also forget to subscribe if you found this video useful, so that, and also hit the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video is dropping. So let's dive in. When you create your channel newly and you start uploading video, what the algorithm will immediately start, recommending your videos to new audience, because the algorithm know that you are a new channel and do not have any subscribers or an audience. Okay, so what it expects that when it recommend your videos to those audience, they tend to click on your videos or watch your videos to a particular average time. Okay, the algorithm will say, okay, they are beginning to like your videos. All right, so now the algorithm will gradually be pushing that video from a smaller audience to probably a medium audience and then to a larger audience. As much as people are clicking on that videos, watching that videos, leaving a comment, a like I said in every of my video, that engagement is key on YouTube. So if you see some videos doing well, take a look at their comment sections. They are getting a whole lot of comments. That is the importance of the algorithm. That is what the algorithm wants to know. Are people interested? Are they commenting? Are they liking this video? Okay, so now once that is done, you find out that the algorithm will continue pushing your videos to other audience. Now, in a case where, okay, you have been on YouTube and then you have grown over time, you have gotten some subscribers, and your subscribers are not watching your videos, it is a very big problem, because once you upload your videos, the first set of people that the algorithm shows your videos to is your subscribers. So in a case where your subscribers do not click on your videos, they do not comment on your videos, they do not like your videos, the algorithm will automatically conclude that, oh, this video, the content of this video is poor, or the quality of this video is poor, because the subscribers who have subscribed to his or her channel is not adding in any engagement, is not engaging on that video, so they tend not to push that video. This is why I actually do not like that sub for sub kind of, because some of these people might not engage in your videos. I am not saying that we should not support each other. If you want to subscribe to your channel, I would definitely engage on your videos. I will definitely comment on your videos. I will like your videos even if I don't share your videos. Okay, so this will go a very long way to help the algorithm to understand that, okay, the small group of people who are your subscribers like this video, so they tend to push that video out. So anytime anybody telling you that the algorithm is not recommending your videos, this is just a simple trick. Okay, so you just have to have a way of your subscribers, your current subscribers, to at least watch your videos, comment on your videos, leave a like on your videos. That is just what the algorithm really wants you to do. Okay, so it will tend to, you know, push your videos. Now it brings us to the next point. That video that you are putting out, is it something that somebody can watch and glue to the channel watching that video? Is it something is it a content that somebody can get value from? Why I am asking this is, most times, you know, you see somebody tell you, okay, Mr. B said that your first 100 videos are going to be rubbish. But I'm trying to tell you now that yes, as much as your first videos you are trying to adjust, if I take a look at the first video I did on this channel, and now I found out that there are a whole lot of adjustments even in my editing, because before I come out with a video, first of all, I am sure of what I'm going to be talking about before I come out. But then I need to cut my videos, I need to go back and think what I'm saying, is it making sense? And then it tends to give me so many hours of editing. Okay, make a very big research about your niche. Okay, when you make this research about your niche and then you start posting your videos, if you just want to post your videos, one video every day, or probably you are skipping a day or two, after 10 videos, after your 10 to 12 videos, I expect you to go back to your analytics and view your analytics on each video. Now this will also help you to know which video is actually doing well and the ones that are not doing well, and also the which one are people watching. Okay, so now when the people swipe away from this video, or did they stick around to watch this video to the end? What about the videos that are getting engagement, the comments, the likes? These are the kind of content that people want to watch. Okay, once that is done, then you can re-strategize in bringing out the best of that kind of video that you know that is doing well. You should look at your competitors. Okay, what are your competitors doing? What are the mistakes they are doing? What are they correcting? What are the changes that is happening? Okay, so you need to be up to date about what is happening in your niche. And what I am going to tell you now is, let us support one another. Go down in the comment section, drop a comment, please. Subscribe to each other. At least make sure that you are engaging on each other's video, as engagement is key on YouTube. That's misconception of you need to post at this particular time, your videos has to be 8 minutes and above, your this, your that. Do you know that a 5-minute video can go viral and give you all the subscribers and the watch hours you are looking for? So don't make sure that, oh, this video needs to exceed 8 minutes and all. You are not making money yet. So please apply wisdom in YouTube, because uniqueness is what people are looking for on this space. Okay, stand out. Don't do a repetition or the same thing that every other person is doing on YouTube. That has been my experience. Okay, so please try as much as possible to be unique. You're patient here on this space. A whole lot of people might take 5-10 years before they get recognized, and then some people are just getting recognized in 3 months, some people in a month, some people even in a few weeks. Okay, they are getting recognized. But one thing I want to tell you in this video is that you are going to get there. You are going to get monetized if you be patient, keep doing your thing, keep improving, keep adding value. All right, thank you for watching. It is Chomsy 2000, and please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell to get notified anytime a new video drops. See you in our next video. Bye.